This is it, guys. This is the moment we have been waiting for. Bitcoin is on the move, and I'm going to be talking about exactly what we need to be paying attention to on these charts right now. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell because I'm going to be bringing you the most timely Bitcoin updates that you are going to find out there. So first of all, what is going on with the Bitcoin price? Well, we have been in a sideways range since Friday, and you can see that we've been trading from the low to the high to the low to the high. And yesterday over in the VIP Casper Crew Discord, we did give the setup to take a long from the low of the range if we were getting bullish divergences on market Cipher B. And you can see right here, as we came down to that exact level in between 22.2 and 22.4, we did get bullish divergences on market Cipher B, and this has led to a pretty significant move to the upside right here. You can see that we're actually breaking above this resistance. So there's a few things that we really need to pay attention to. First of all, why did we get this big move to the upside? If we take a look at an order flow chart right over here, we can see something that is very interesting. And I brought this up in my video this morning saying there was a potential of a huge short squeeze. But if we look at this whole range that traded here, we can see that for the first half of the range, most of the trades that were opening up were long trades. But for the second half of the consolidation, we can see open interest increasing, which means new traders are entering into the market with fresh money. We also see CVD getting lower and lower, telling us that there are people trying to short the price of Bitcoin down. However, throughout this entire section, the Bitcoin price was not getting lower. It was staying the same. And this is telling us that potentially we could have a short squeeze because I said, unless Bitcoin takes out this low, this is actually absorption of shorts and it could lead to a very large squeeze to the upside. And that is exactly what has happened right now. Bitcoin is also currently about to come up to a very important area of resistance. This very important area of resistance is going to be the $24,000 to $25,000 level, which is just by looking at the chart right here, a very clear support resistance flip where it was our support all the way back in May, our resistance in August, and now we are coming up to retest this now. If the price of Bitcoin is able to break above this zone of resistance between $24,000 and $25,000, if we take a look at the volume profile that is over here on the right-hand side of our screen, we can see that there's literally no volume in between this zone, okay? And what does that mean? Well, if we go to a higher term time frame like the 5-day, we can see that the price of Bitcoin is actually breaking out of this bullish falling wedge pattern. And the target of this pattern is $30,000. So as I've been saying, since we were down at $16,300 and I gave the long setup, if we can reclaim these resistances, we should be looking for higher. So right now, the next major resistance to claim is going to be that $25,000 level. And if we can reclaim that, we are probably, I would say, I'm definitely expecting a move up to the $30,000 level where we have the retest of the major support resistance flip from this multi-year range right here. So these are definitely very exciting times. And to be honest with you guys, I still do remain bullish. Having this breakout here is a bullish thing. As a word of caution, right now, we can still see on the 4-hour time frame that money flow is getting lower here, okay? Money flow is still getting lower on the 4-hour. And what does this mean? This means that if we come up to areas of key resistance above us, again, the green box that we have on the chart between $24,000 and $25,000, we need to be very cautious if we see the following. We know that the 4-hour is already looking bearish. So what I'm focusing on right now is going to be that 24-minute time frame. If we consolidate for a little bit right around here, okay? And we've kind of topped out just a little bit, just underneath resistance. This is really what we need to look out for. We know that we've topped out just beneath resistance. If we consolidate here and then get another push up, and our 24-minute time frame is now giving us bearish divergences, this will be, in my opinion, a sign that we will actually get a real pullback, because right now we don't see those bearish divergences. We really need to be watching on market Cipher B to see that dreaded Sam Bankman-Fried upside down pattern where we see his man breasts are getting lower, the money flow is getting lower, the pepperoni nipples are getting lower as the price is getting higher. So these are definitely exciting times, guys. If we don't see that, I will still be expecting higher Bitcoin prices. Okay, I will still be expecting higher Bitcoin prices. So I'm still holding my long trades. I currently am looking for short trades around these areas, guys. If you want to join the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to join the community where we gave this long setup in advance. If you want to learn how to trade, guys, check out the course, jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you a clear point A to point B comprehensive trading system so you can always come to the charts with a plan in advance and then know what you are looking for on the chart to fully take advantage of that plan. Also, guys, if you do want to trade on ByBit and get 0% limit order fees, you can check out the description, the link in the description. I do have a special promotion for Jason Casper, up to $30,000 of deposit rewards if you deposit certain amounts of capital to trade with. But the main bonus here for me is the limit orders. I love scalping in lower term timeframes, and I hate paying fees. So 0% limit orders is definitely great if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, please stay away from derivatives exchanges. So one last word I will say, if we are unable to hold this level of 23,400, more downside is absolutely possible. This could just be one giant fake out, but based on what I'm seeing on the chart here, there seems to be more potential for upside, okay? That is it for today's video. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray everybody is super, super blessed, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.